Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. In this video we'll learn how to install the latest macOS update on unsupported MacBooks. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have a 2014 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Apple has ended support for this device. So the latest update for my laptop is Big Sur. To install the new macOS, we need to make sure that the amount of RAM on the laptop should be at least 8 GB, and we also need a 32 GB or larger flash drive. First, we need to download the OpenCore patcher. The link to the website will be in the description below this video. Install it on your Mac HD and enter your user password. The process will be completed in a minute. The next thing we need to do is download and create a Sonoma macOS installer on a flash drive. Select the menu item. Create a macOS installer, then select Download macOS installer. Next, a window with available operating systems will appear. Please note that for Sequoia and Sonoma, you will need a flash drive of at least 32 GB, while for Ventura and Monterey, you can use a 16 GB drive. So I advise you to download Sonoma right away. Click on the download button. The download time will depend on your internet speed. So while this process is going on, we need to prepare the flash drive. Open Disk Utility. Select Show All Devices. Select your flash drive. Be careful and make sure that it is the right flash drive. Then click on the Erase button and select the macOS Extended Journaled format in the window that appears. Then select the Guide Partition Map Scheme. You're done. Wait for the process to complete. Meanwhile, the download process has finished. OpenCore asks if we want to create a macOS installer. Click on the Yes button. Select the downloaded Sonoma macOS from the list. Next, we need to select our USB flash drive. Once selected, we see a warning that all data on the flash drive will be erased. Confirm it and click Yes. The process of creating the installer will begin. This may take some time depending on the speed of your USB drive. Then you will see the validation process. macOS installer has been successfully created. Now you need to install OpenCore on the disk. Click Yes. In the next window, click the Install to Disk button. Now be careful. Choose our flash drive from the list. Then install EFI partition. After the process is complete, OpenCore will ask us to reboot the laptop. We need to reboot the laptop and hold down the Option key until the boot menu appears. When the boot menu appears, select the EFI boot option, then select Install macOS Sonoma. In order to make the most correct and clean installation of macOS, you need to format your disk, so I recommend opening a disk utility. Select the Mac HD disk and click Erase. A formatting window will appear. Select the APFS format and click Erase. When everything is done, close the disk utility. Now select Install macOS Sonoma and the standard installation process will follow. It usually takes about 30 minutes. During this time, the computer will reboot several times, 5 or 6 times. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for the installation to finish. After successfully installing the new operating system, you need to log in and wait for a while until a window appears saying that you have booted from an external drive. Would you like to launch the OpenCore Legacy Patcher to disk? Yes. Confirm and click on the OK button. Next, select the Install to Disk button. Attention! In the window that appears, you need to select our Mac HD disk and click on the EFI partition. Reboot your MacBook. Next is another important step. After the reboot, the same window will open again. This time, you need to ignore it. Then open OpenCore and start a post-install root patch in the window that appears. Click Post-install root patch. Press Start root patching. The process of installing the necessary components will begin. It usually takes about 3 minutes. When it's finished, you'll be prompted to reboot your computer. Do it. Some people recommend running the post-install patch twice. So after rebooting, I did the same thing again. So that's it. You are now ready to use the new macOS Sonoma operating system. I have to say that the system works fine. Everything works great fast, just like on Big Sur. If you liked this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.